also encounter such troubles. Want to customize your own brand shoes in a high-quality men's leather shoe factory, but the big factory think your order quality too small, and the small factory you think can't guarantee your shoes quality. Don't worry, LANCI Shoe Factory focus on small batch customization of leather men's shoes. Low MOQ affection production, so that high quality is no longer limited by the MOQ. Each of our production line has a daily production capacity of 2,000 pairs for quicker delivery. We insist on making only genuine leather men's shoes. Hundreds of leather materials are available, such as sheepskin, pigskin, calfskin, unborn calfskin, and etc. From cutting, sewing to molding, 8 layers of quality control. Even the needle pitch is required to be controlled within 3 millimeters. Our factory provides one-on-one designer collaboration dedicated to make your design control.